In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a digital signature in Microsoft Excel. By the end, you'll know how to place a formal signature line in your worksheet and apply a clean professional signature that's recognized by Excel. Start by opening your Excel workbook and clicking the exact cell where you want the signature line to appear. This cell acts like the anchor point for the line. Don't worry if you're not perfectly precise. You can nudge the line into place afterward, but picking a sensible spot now helps your layout look neat from the start. Next, head to the Insert tab on the ribbon. In the text group, choose Signature Line. When the menu appears, select Microsoft Office Signature Line. This option creates a visible signature line that works with Excel's built-in signing tools, making it clear who needs to sign and where. If you don't see Signature Line, make sure you're using the desktop version of Excel and that your file is saved in a modern format like .xlsx. A signature setup box will open. Fill in the signer's name, their title, and an email address so the line clearly identifies who should sign. This information appears beneath the line and guides the signer, so keep it accurate and professional. When you're done, click OK, and Excel will drop the signature line into your sheet. Now, to sign it, simply double-click the signature line. That opens the sign box. Here you can type your name to create a clean text-based signature or click Select Image to upload a scanned image of your handwritten signature. If you're using an image, a crisp, high-contrast file like a well-cropped PNG on a light or transparent background usually looks best. Either method is acceptable. Choose the one that matches the formality of your document and your organization's preferences. When your signature looks the way you want, click Sign to apply it. Excel will embed the signature and update the line to show it's been signed. You may notice a status indicator letting you know the document is signed. A quick tip here: once a workbook is signed, changing its contents can invalidate the signature. It's best to finalize your data and formatting first, then sign. If you need to reposition the line for visual alignment, do that before you sign to avoid any issues. That's all it takes. Select your spot, insert a Microsoft Office signature line, complete the setup, double-click to open the signing window, choose typed text or an image, and click Sign. Save your workbook, and you're ready to share a polished signed Excel file with confidence.